Good morning, my beautiful people. It's your boy Ben Tile coming live and direct. It's another beautiful Friday. It's another beautiful Friday morning that the Lord has given unto us. Yeah, I am happy to be alive. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to enjoy this life, guys. And currently, I am walking towards Go with Kevo's project. Unfortunately, Go with Kevo couldn't come with me because you guys know what happened. Yeah, he had an incident. I think he should go live and document what happened. Yeah, it was so tragic what happened to him. Yeah, so he couldn't. I wanted that sound, that KK to go, so he couldn't come with me, and I understand. So on today's vlog, I just want to show you. We went to. You remember, you guys? I showed you we went to a greenhouse, bought some seedlings, and we planted them. So I just want to take you and show you the progress and what is happening on the other side. I'm walking towards the farm and show you if there is a success story or we'll just find out, guys. So thank you guys for always guys. Another thing, guys, I want you guys to push me to 500 subscription. Yeah, I know it is a slow, how do you call it? It's a slow progress every day is a slow progress, which I'm thankful, but I want you guys to push me. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I want to reach 500 subscribers, at least half a mark for me. Yes, guys, also I haven't been posting videos. It's like 3 days now. Yeah, guys, the problem here is data, and then the network also. Here you must have Wi-Fi for your videos to how do you for you to upload. But when you use data, it's so expensive also. Yeah, so that's why. But today I might put like 3 videos because I'm going to use a friend's Wi-Fi. Yeah. So it's a beautiful Friday morning. Yeah, today I'm indoors. I just wanted to take this video and show you guys what's happening. Yeah, on this other side. Yeah, so come with me as we go and see the progress of the farm and what's happening. Okay. Guys, we are here. I hope I'm not lost. But I think I'm on the right track. So my people, we are here. Let us now how do you say teremka in English? Let us now go down. Yes. After cutting my hair, I look young. Guys, have you noticed that I cut my hair? I look very young. Yeah. So guys, we are here. Yeah, I just wanted to give that guy a space. So guys, we are here. I just want to take you down there and show you what is happening. Yeah, let me flip up the camera. Someone has built a nice house here. Yeah. And then this place, it's like a valley. Yeah, it's like a valley, this Nyabohase. You see how the other side has come like this. This side is going down. So it's like a valley. Yeah. And people have already harvested, as I told you guys. People have harvested their crops. Wow, this guy has already plowed, ready for planting. I think there's some work going on here. You know, Sasi has a project here. Sasi is building on the other side, so I think maybe he might be having people working on this other side. So guys, let us go down and show you what is happening on this other side. Guys, you see the beautiful Nyabohase. I don't know if we are in Nyabohase still. I don't know. But it is beautiful. It is beautiful. This person has already plowed. But these guys are blessed. These people are blessed with the, how do you call it? The sand. The sand is too much here. Sand is too much. Yani, it comes with rain. This sand in Nairobi, you can't find it like this. Maybe a tipper in Nairobi may be like 20,000. Yeah, 20,000 Kenya shillings. That's around how do you go? $190. That's one tip of sand. But you see how these people are blessed. Yeah? This is a stream. When it rains, the sand from up there just comes here, and you see all this is sand. All this is sand going down. So that is one of the things that this land is blessed with. And then this land is also fertile. Very fertile. Yeah. So guys, also comment on where you're watching from, guys. Yeah, because we take you guys with a lot, we take our subscribers with a lot of seriousness. We love you guys. Guys, see how this place is. Guys, can you see how the landscape? I think this place has been mined. I don't know what they were mining. Maybe tippers were coming here. Yeah, I think tippers were coming here to collect sand. Like when you see on the other side, it has been dug. Or if it is not sand, they came for, how do you call it? They came for maram. Yeah, they came for maram. So that's why this place looks like this. Today I'm not passing on this side. Let us go on this other side. Guys, as you can see, all this is due to rain. Because this place is so slant. And you see how it goes down. Yeah, so these are the, and then maybe it rains here heavily. That's why it looks like this. Yeah. But I love it. I love it. Yeah, it has been mined. Let us go down, guys. Wow. But for me, I can't build in such a place like this. Yeah. This here, tippers were coming, collecting maram. Yeah, guys, as you can see, let me show you. You see like here, this place has been, no, they were collecting sand. This is sand, guys, not maram. This is sand. All this is sand. So tippers were coming, digging, collecting. This place has been dug. You see, guys, this place has been dug. Wow. Can't you see, guys? Natural resources in plenty. But I think it can it can still be mined. But I think they have already extended they have overmined this place. Yeah. Wow. So let me go down and show you what has been planted here. And the weather here sometimes fluctuates. In the mornings around 7 to 9, it is very, very cold. Very, very cold. But when it gets to 10, around 11, you can see right now it is 11. The sun is shining, the sun is out. Yeah, so that's why I love this place, because the weather is predictable. The weather is predictable. You can predict the weather. Not like some other countries where you can't. Wow. All this place has been used and used and used. I'm walking in sand, guys. I'm walking in sand. In or on? My English people. Am I walking on or am I walking in? Yeah, and also, guys, Sasi KE is building here. It's so secluded here. Very, very secluded. Wow. Wow. Also, this place has been dug. Yeah. Sasi is building here. I think you will give me a house tour. So, guys, what I was saying is this. You see this? This is sand. This is sand that has been dug just here. It has not been collected from nowhere. Just here, the sand has been dug. Wow. So, guys, we are here at the farm. Go with Kevo. Wow. Guys, what you're seeing here is like he has planted, and I think he has just covered them with these banana leaves because they are just seedlings, and in case of the sun, the sun can, how do you say it? The sun can destroy. These are just small seedlings. So let us start from here and see and open and see what has been planted here. So I think this is called mulching. He has done mulching here. So let us open like this. I can't see anything here. What about this side? Yeah. Yes, as you can see, guys, this is mulching, and I think this is the kill. This one, and I think they're doing very bad. They're dying. They're really, really dying. Wow. What about? Let us check this side. Yeah, you see, guys, this one is I think this is spinach. It's still catching up, as you can see, guys. It's still catching up. Yeah. So I think all of these, he has planted spinach and done mulching here and there. This place was planted tobacco on this other side. Yeah, so I think guys, this is what is happening here. What about this? Also, this is spinach. As you can see, it is catching up, guys. This one. Yeah. So I think all these places he has planted spinach. Yeah. And guys, we are near the river. The river is just down here. The river is just down here. Let me take you and see. Can you listen to the river? So guys, this is the river. And this river always flows. Today is very clean. Because they go there to that side. Yeah. Wow. So guys, that is what is happening here at this other side. Guys, you remember I showed you sunflowers? Huh? Let us see how they are doing. These are the sunflowers, but they're still young. They haven't matured properly. So my people, I think that's that. I wish I came with cable here and finish up digging this side, because you see there's still a small place here that hasn't been dug, like here. You see here, this side. Yeah, let me show you. You can see this place was dug. Only this part remained. All this part. So I wish I came with him and finish up this place, because this is a huge space that can be utilized. Yeah. So guys, if you watch this video from the start to the end, thank you so much. Today was just a follow-up of what is happening here. And I don't know whether the seedlings or I don't know, because these seedlings, they're not doing, some are not doing very well. So I don't know what is happening. Yeah. But we will try and see what works and what does not work. Yeah. So guys, from here, let us go back. I've shown you what is happening, what Kev was planted here. Such a beautiful place. Yeah. Wow. And let us go back now and put this video together. Yeah. The sun is really shining. Oh. I did what we call nature walk. This is just a relaxing video. No drama. Just a relaxing, good video. Yes. I want to go and take my thumbnail on that side.